Hello everyone! Welcome to Cook My Herbs coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use keymaster sequences. So you know keymaster, the JavaScript library that lets you, create your own keyboard shortcuts. It's great, but if you want to detect somebody typing a specific phrase or something, you can't really do that. Well, you could, but it would be difficult to do. However, there's an add-on library called keymaster sequences, really creative name, I know. And it works just like how typing on YouTube, if you type awesome, the stuff happens. Try it. So here I have a blank page that all it has is a little bit of JavaScript. And if I type subscribe, you get that alert. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. So, to get started, first you're going to have a source copied for keymaster. Now, in my video about how to use keymaster, just plain old keymaster, I used this github.io source, which is fine if you just want to use keymaster. However, this is an older version of the library, so keymaster sequences right here won't detect this script. So if you do key.sequence, it won't work. So if you already have a project and you just want to add sequences, replace this URL here with this URL. I'll put it in the description, because all of your shortcuts that you've already made will work exactly the same. Does not make a difference, but you'll still be able to use keymaster sequences. So first link you're going to need to have copied is this one. Copy it. And now open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. Actually, like Visual Studio Code is really nice. Anyway, make a doctype tag, doctype HTML. Now make a script tag, src equals, and in quotes, paste in that link, close quotes, and close the script tag /script. Now make another script tag, script, src equals, open quotes. Now go back, and the other link I'll have in the description is this rawgit.com link, which takes you to keymaster sequences. So copy that one and paste it into those quotes, close the quotes, and close the script tag. I spelled script wrong. And that'll let you do keymaster sequences. So open a script tag. Can't spell script today. There we go. Okay. So what you need to do is, to make a normal shortcut, you just do key, open parentheses, and then you do whatever key you want. And then you do comma, and then you do function, open parentheses, close parentheses, and then in the curly braces, whatever you want to happen. However, to make a sequence, what you do is key.sequence, open parentheses, and then inside the quotes, you put the sequence of letters separated by spaces. So if I wanted it to be subscribe, I would do S space U space B space S space C space R space I space B space E. But what if you want to do a space in your sequence? Well, what you do is you just do space. You just type space with no spaces in between. T space O, and now space M space E. So now if you type subscribe to me with spaces in between each word, it'll do something great. Now, comma, function, open parentheses, close parentheses, open curly braces, and then inside them, just put whatever you want. Any JavaScript, it'll run. So I'll just make an alert box. Alert. Yes. Please do. Close quotes, close parentheses. Now, you close the curly braces, you close the parentheses that were around the whole thing, add a semicolon, and close your script tag. Now, here's an interesting thing. If you have, let's say, I have just a plain old key for the letter S, right? And I'm typing subscribe, right? But when I hit the S's, it does something else, like make a different alert box. Even if you press enter, which isn't part of the sequence, if it's to close an alert box, it won't count it, and your sequence will still happen. So just know that if you do have anything happen with any of the letters you've gotten here, it'll probably work. So save that file. I'm going to call it sequences.html. Save. Great. Now go over to your browser, which should be Firefox, but if it's not, that's not my problem. Now, sequences.html. Got a lot of those. Just put that in there. Now, if I type subscribe to me, yes, please do. So, as you can see, it works. And it's actually really useful. So if you go to youtube.com/CuckMcCurbsCodingClass and you wait for it to load and you mute your computer so that you don't get picked up by the mic, and you just click on a random video here. Let's click on that one. I like that video. Now you're just sitting here on YouTube. Note that this is red right here. If you type awesome, now it's all crazy and rainbowy. And that probably doesn't use keymaster sequences. It's probably using something that Google built themselves. But you can basically do something like that. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Buy my merch. And remember, what's that noise you just heard?